Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will let you quickly explain to you the way how to change your video background on a Zoom application. So if your company requires you to change the background, this is the way how to do that. Open your Zoom application on your iPhone and take a look on this side. There will be several sections. Click these three small dots on the right side and just go right away, visit and click these settings in the meeting section, and then please take a look on this video. There will be like the background and effects on the third line. Just go click it. Next thing you need to do is just go choose which picture that you want to add. So this is the picture, or this is the camera simulations, and the backgrounds will be down here, so you can choose the background collections that provide by the Zoom application, or you can also add your own background by clicking this plus button. So make sure that you already save the background on your photo library, and then you just need to pick one of them, and then you just need to go click done. And you just need to go slide this side back into the down side, and now here is the new. So this is the new simulation of your video. So that is the way how to change the background on Zoom application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next tutorial.